Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to learn about the dictionary in Python. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see what is the dictionary. Okay. In the normal dictionary, we will be having two things in the dictionary. One thing is the word and its meaning. Okay. In the same way, here in the dictionary also means the elements will be in terms of key and its value. Okay. We'll see how it is there. Okay. So this data type contains only one type known as dictionary. Okay. So right. Okay. So what you call means this is actually a class which is used as a data type like list and like set and all. Okay. So so that is what dictionary is a class that is treated as a data type. Okay. The data type organize the data in the form of the key and the value. Okay. So what I mean to say is here in the list or in the set or in the other data types which we have looked at. Okay, what we are having was we are having the values. Okay. uh, that is what iterable values. Okay, so here we are having the values and the key. Okay, and how we are in the other means in the list or in the any other means in the list, if you take the example of the list, to call a or to print any element in the list, what we used to do is we used to use the index. Okay, but here we have to use the key. Okay, so here the key is the main difference between the other data types and the dictionary. Okay, so see here in the key value pair. Okay, key represents the unique and the value may or may not be unique. Okay, in the same way the key should always be unique. Okay. uh, okay, so if there if you how if the it accepts any duplicate, then there will be an ambiguity, which value the it has to fetch. Okay, so key will be always should be unique. Okay, we will check it, okay, while writing the code. Okay, and the dictionary values can be represented with the curly brackets or the flower brackets like in set. Okay, set also we will be using the curly or the flower brackets. Okay, in the same way in the dictionary also we have to use the curly or the flower brackets. Okay, the values present inside okay represents with the colon. Okay, so we have to use colon to separate the key and the value. Okay, so we will see that. Okay, and the elements will be separated with the comma. Okay, right. This is what is the, if you want to convert any data type into dictionary, so we have to use the inbuilt class called dictionary. Okay, by using this is actually what you called a constructor we have to use. Okay, okay, we'll be discussing about the constructors later, but here means we are using the class dictionary in order to convert uh, any other object into dictionary. Okay, so this is what is the syntax. Okay, this is the variable name which is equal to curly brackets, and we have to give the key and the value. Okay, the key and the value. Okay, so and the key and the value will be separated with the colon. Okay, and each element will be separated with the comma. Okay, we'll see. Okay, while writing the code. Okay, I will be using PyCharm. Okay, to write the code. So this is the PyCharm. Okay, so suppose uh, DAC is one variable. Okay, and here I wanted to make a dictionary, so I have to use the curly brackets. Okay, right. Okay, if normal, if it is a set, what you are using directly, you are using the values. Suppose Krishna is one value. Okay, uh, one is another value. Okay, this is two is another value, or 20 is another value. Okay, so uh, these are what you call the values. Okay, if what is this? This is a set. Okay, so in the previously we have represented set in this way, but here in the dictionary we have to give the key for each value. So for this value I will be giving name as the key. Suppose name is the key. Okay, so you should not write is equal to, we have to write the colon. Okay, right. And this for this I will be giving id, some key I am giving. Key should be unique. Okay, and for this I will be giving mark or marks. Okay, colon. Okay, so here, right, and here I have to use the quotes. Okay, this actually, this, see here, this id, it is giving it is separate color. Okay, but actually this id is a keyword. Okay, we should not directly use the keyword. Okay, so I will be giving some other thing. Okay, id, so roll number. Okay, I will be giving in the double quotes. Okay, but it is a string. Okay, right. Now I will be checking whether it is dictionary or not. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to use the type class. Okay, so print type this. Okay, so it will be print the type, what is the data type. Okay, I'm executing it. See here, it is dictionary. Okay, this is the object. DEC is the object of class DIC, dictionary. Okay, right. So it is dictionary. There is no doubt about it. Okay, then what are the operations that I can perform in this dictionary? Okay, we will be seeing that. So first, after that, I will be first of printing it, the whole dictionary, all the values. Okay, right. It has been printed. Now, what I wanted to do is I want a single value to be called. Can I do that? I can't use the index. Here I have to use the key. Suppose if I want Krishna to be printed. Okay. So what I have to do? DEC. Okay. Dot. Then here, see here, there is a there are different methods involved in that. Okay. So here I want to get the value, or I wanted to print the value. So I am using the print method. Okay. So right. So what can I can use? Okay. Is there any get is there? We'll use get and we will see. Okay. It is taking. Okay. It is taking the value. Okay. I want Krishna to be printed. So name is the key for Krishna. So name. Okay. So right, Krishna has been printed. So here instead of using the index number, I am using the key. Okay. So this is also very useful. Okay, in our what you call project. Okay, uh, and any other methods we can use, the most important methods. Okay, we'll be checking some of the important methods. So DEC dot get is there, update, we can update it. Okay, means this dictionary is a mutable. Okay, so we can change it. So suppose I wanted to pop, I wanted to take some value. Okay, so pop, so we here we have to write the key. So here it is showing that okay, key you have to write it. Okay, so I wanted to pop uh, marks. I wanted to take out the marks. Okay, so here what I will be doing is pop marks. Okay, after taking out the marks I wanted to print it. So print dictionary. Okay, and I wanted to check whether this is popped or not. See here, let it be copy is already we have seen it in set. Okay, so clear will clear it. Okay, we will check the clear. It will clear the elements. Okay, see here all the elements are being cleared. Okay, uh, suppose there are means two lists are available. Can I make a dictionary out of the two lists? Okay, that is very important. Uh, okay, I will be checking that. Okay, afterwards we will be checking the other methods. Okay, suppose that I am commenting it. Okay, this is the comment I have commented it. So now L1 is one list. Okay, L1 is equal to, I have to use the square bracket. Suppose name comma marks. Okay, they are two. Sorry, there are two elements. Name comma marks. Uh, okay, and there is L2. L2 is there. Uh, it is having name Krishna and marks 50. Okay, some values are there. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is I wanted to use the zip, and I wanted to turn this into a dictionary. Means I want the elements which are there in L1 to be the keys, and the elements which are there in L2 should be the values of the keys, the respective keys. Okay, I wanted to change in that way. So what I have to do is I have to uh, club both the things. So I have to use zip. Okay, so I will be using zip for that. Zip, what zip will do, it will be clubbing a name with Krishna and marks with 50. Okay, we will see that. Okay, so zip, see, it is a inbuilt method. So zip, what we have to do, L1 comma L2. Okay, I have zipped it. Okay, now what is the output, what this zip function will return. Okay, let's see what the zip function will return. Insert, see here, it is returning a iterator. Okay, it is returning a tuple. Okay, so what I wanted to convert this zip the return value, means whatever the value that is returning, that is returning a iterable values, that is they will be returning the values after combining the keys, or sorry, after combining the first two values as a one element, and next two values as second element. Okay, it will be combining like that. Okay, if you want to check it, I will be printing here and I will be checking it how it is being done. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will be keeping it some variable res, and I will be printing res, and to check how it is been done. Okay, here here the object means it is showing in this way, but I wanted the value should be shown. Okay, so for that, what I have to do, first I will be converting it to dictionary, DEC, oh, sorry, DIC dictionary. Okay, this is also inbuilt class. So I am converting this to the dictionary. Okay, and I will be storing it some value, res result. Okay, now I will run it. See here how it is been stored. Name will be the key for Krishna and marks will be the key for 50. Okay, so we have taken two lists and we have converted it into dictionary. Okay, suppose now if I want Krishna, what I have to do? Res dot get. I have to use name. Okay, okay, this is how dictionary will be working on. Okay, you see there are many other methods which are available for the dictionary. Okay, you go through one each and every method. Okay, those are very easy methods. Okay, if you can try it out, it will be understood. Okay, and there will be another video which I will be making for all the methods which are there in the for the dictionary. Okay, thank you for now.